Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make a ribbing stitch in an easiest way. For example, I made a fingerless gloves, and here and also at the edge, at the finger edge, I used this ribbing stitch. This is a beanie. I also used the same ribbing stitch in the edge of the beanie. And this is a sweater. I used this stitch here. It is very nice. It is elastic. Look, you can use this stitch for gloves, beanies, scarves, cardigans, sweaters, anything you can imagine. It is really very easy, dear friends. Meanwhile, you can find the video tutorials regarding these sweaters, gloves, beanies at my YouTube channel. If you are a middle class crocheter or advanced crocheter, I'm sure you know how to make this ribbing stitch, but I am making this video tutorial for the beginners. Okay, dear friends, let's start how to make this. I'm using a cotton yarn for this project and also 3mm hook. But of course, if you are going to use a woolen yarn, a chunky yarn, you will choose your hook according to the thickness of your yarn. Dear friends, if you are going to start your project from the edge, I mean from the ribbing stitch, first of all, you have to make some chains. Like this, we are starting by making chains. We are making chains according to the size of our project. For example, if you are going to make a beanie, you are making chains according to the size of your head. Or if you are going to make a sleeve, you are going to make the chains according to the size of your wrist. I am making chains in order to show you. I think this will be enough for the sample. After making enough chains for our project, we are making 2 more chains as the first double crochet and inserting our hook in the last chains, making a double crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. I am going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, and we are going on till the end of the chain by making double crochets stitch by stitch like this. Let's go on making double crochets till the end, dear friends. Okay, I came to the end by making double crochets one by one in each following stitch. I am at the end now. Now, I am making 2 chains. 1, 2, turning to the other side, yarn over. In the second round, I will start making the pattern of the ribbing stitch. I am making yarn over, inserting my hook through this space between the one and the second double crochet, like this, inserting my hook from front to back. Now I am in the back and I am coming to the front from back to front, like this. Yarn over, pull through. Now I am making a double crochet. After making yarn over, I am inserting my hook, look here, this space, but from back to front, going to the back. Now I am making pull through like this in the back side and making a double crochet. Yarn over. This time I will insert my hook through the following space from front to back and then back to front, and making a double crochet. yarn over, this time from back to front and like this, coming to the following space from front to back, and now making a yarn over, pull through and making a double crochet. As you see, the ribbing stitch started to be seen. Of course it is very short now. Yarn over. This time I am inserting my hook from front to back, going from back to front to the following space and making a double crochet. Yarn over. Yes, dear friends, this pattern goes on like this till the end of this stitch. From now on, you are going to insert your hook from back to front and then to back, and then you are going to make a double crochet. Later on, from front to back and then back to front, it will go on like this, and we are coming to the end. I came to the end of this row. I am making yarn over. There is only one stitch here. I am making yarn over, inserting my hook on top of this double crochet, I mean last double crochet, and finishing this second round. Now we are going to make the round 3. For this reason, first of all making 2 chains, turning to the other side. Now, dear friends, look, for this stitch that is in the back, we are making the same, I mean from back to front and then front to back. Yarn over, and for this stitch in the front, I am inserting my hook from front to back and then back to front and making a double crochet. One moment, I will repeat again, from front to back and then back to front. Okay. Yarn over, and for this stitch, going to the back to front and front, one moment, and front to back, making a double crochet. Yarn over. Now I am here in this stitch, from front to back, back to front, making a double crochet like this, you see. Yarn over, this stitch from back to front and front to back, making a double crochet. Yarn over, this stitch, this one, from front to back, back to front, making a double crochet. For this one that is inside, yarn over, from back to front, front to back, making a double crochet. Yarn over, for this stitch, this one, from front to back, back to front. Okay, let me show you. It started to see like this. Okay, dear friends, in the way I showed you, we are coming to the end. I came to the end like this. There is only one stitch left, I mean this one. I'm making yarn over, inserting my hook on top of this double crochet and making a double crochet. From now on, the pattern repeats always the same. I'm making 2 chains, turning to the other side, yarn over. For this one, inserting our hook from front to back and then back to front, making a double crochet. And for this one that is inside between these 2 stitches, look, from back to front and then front to back, making a double crochet. For this one, from front to back and then back to front, making a double crochet. For the other, this one, this following stitch, from back to front, front to back, making a double crochet. And this one, this stitch, from front to back, back to front. One time we are making from back to front, front to back, and then for the following stitch, inserting our hook from front to back, back to front. Like this, we are making an accordion shape like this. As you see, it started to look like this. This is elastic. As you see, like this. Okay, let's come to the end as I explained to you. I came to the end. There is only one stitch left at the end. I'm making yarn over, inserting my hook on top of this stitch, this double crochet, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet, and for the upper row, making 2 chains, yarn over, turning to the other side. For this one, we are making yarn over from back, from back to front, like this, and front to back, making a double crochet. This time we are making the opposite. From, look like this, from front to back, back to front. Yarn over. Here, this time, this stitch, we are inserting our hook from back to front, front to back, and making a double crochet, yarn over. For this one, this stitch, inserting our hook from front to back, back to front. It's going on like this, dear friends, till the end, and we are making this as long as we want. I will make this a few rows and I will show you how it looks at the end. Yes, I made a few rounds more in order to show you how it looks. It is like this, dear friends. It is elastic. You can use this for the gloves, for the beanies, sweaters, cardigans, jumpers, leg warmers, anything you can imagine. It's very nice ribbing pattern. Like this, for example, I used at the edges of this gloves. I used for the beanie, like this. It is very nice. Okay, dear friends, I came to the end of another project. Hope you like this project. Hope this video is useful for you. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.